I'm going to show you how to hide the hours played on a Steam game. First, open Steam on your computer. Then, in the top left corner, click on the Steam logo and select Settings. Next, click on Privacy Settings. You'll be taken to a new page with your account's privacy options. Look for the Game Details section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose whether your game details are public, friends only, or private. In my case, I'll set it to friends only, so only my friends can see my Steam game details. There's also a checkbox option that allows you to always hide your playtime. If you enable this option, your hours played will remain hidden even if other users or friends can see your game details. So, if you want to keep your playtime completely private, just make sure this checkbox is enabled. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the content.